Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted project in Capcut. So let's get started. So you can open the Capcut or you can install first from Play Store, and I recommend you to create your account so you can enjoy the cloud or space services to synchronize with PC version, so you can edit both on PC or mobile. So after you create an account, you can edit your video, and maybe you are messed up and you want to clean up the storage. You can delete your project here. For example, I want to delete this one. Move to trash. So after you delete it or move to the trash and accidentally you want to redo, you want to edit again that video that just now you deleted, you can restore by tap library and scroll down, and this trash here, you can tap it. This is all video that you delete. You can restore by tap on three dot and restore the video here. So the video is restored. As you can see, go back to the home page or edit page, this one, the video or the project is restored. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.